Imagine teaching a computer to think like a human, not with emotions or consciousness, but with the ability to learn, recognize patterns, and make decisions. That's exactly what AI algorithms do. Today, we'll demystify how they work using simple, everyday analogies. Think of an AI algorithm like a recipe. Just as a recipe tells you step-by-step how to make chocolate chip cookies, an AI algorithm gives a computer step-by-step instructions to solve problems. But here's where it gets interesting. AI algorithms learn and improve over time. It's like having a chef who remembers every cookie they've made and gets better with each batch. Remember learning to ride a bike? You probably fell a few times, adjusted your balance, and eventually got it right. AI algorithms learn similarly through a process called training. The magic happens through repetition. Show an AI algorithm thousands of examples, and it starts recognizing patterns just like you learned to balance on two wheels. Supervised learning is like having a teacher. You show the algorithm lots of examples with correct answers. Like teaching a computer to spot spam emails by showing it thousands already labeled as spam or legitimate. The algorithm learns patterns. Spam often has words like free or urgent, while legitimate emails have proper grammar. This powers medical diagnosis, voice recognition, and price prediction. Unsupervised learning is like being a detective with no case file. You have data, but no labels, like a store discovering customer groups, health-conscious buyers, gamers, and parents, just from purchase patterns. Deep learning mimics how our brain works, using artificial neurons in layers, like an assembly line for thoughts. First layer detects edges, middle layers find shapes, final layers recognize objects. These algorithms power technology you use daily: Netflix recommendations, Google search, smartphone cameras, and navigation apps. Often, without you realizing it, AI is quietly making your life better. But AI isn't magic. It has limitations like data dependency and potential bias. The future brings more explainable AI, better bias handling, and smarter systems. AI algorithms are simply tools, sophisticated recipes that help computers learn and make decisions. Understanding how they work makes you a more informed user of technology. The future belongs to those who understand these tools as the logical, learnable systems they really are.